Hello guys, today I will show you how to make seek and figure in catalog creator. Just go over to the top right and click this and click all and remove. You can, okay, and go to catalog. We're gonna be doing figure first. Get headless. Pick this. Try. And then we're gonna search figure hood. And try this on. And then just search figure then. And then just get this one and this one. Yeah, you have it. You can just go here and you can just save it here. Now reset this. Search CXI. Try and then search for head. There you go. And then just search seek. You get this. You can just equip this and this. And then you can add like an animation if you want. For example, I'll do this because this one looks good. And you can save it here then. Alright, that's it for this video. If you want to know how to make more those characters or other characters, let me know in the comments. Bye.